What have we done here so far?
All right, we've taken the country style ribs out of the package, washed them off real good, and cut any excessive fat, big pieces of fat off. Placed them in the pot.
Yes.
Then next is to get the water in there. I cook it with water instead of olive oil.
Yeah.
That way it doesn't leave a big grease. And then I put in my garlic, pepper, and salt, and let these pieces of meat just cook in this pot, simmer for a good while.
How long's a good while? Like, how will you know it's done?
See, that's another thing. I don't have times. I just go by instinct.
Well, what do you look for?
Well, for that to cook in there and stuff, probably 3/4 of an hour.
I know, but what do you go by time, or do you like look at the meat and decide?
Well, I look at the meat, yeah.
Well, how's the meat look when it's done?
Look, I guess.
Well, how's it look? What's done look like?
Well, see how it looks now? It's red?
Yes.
It'll look brown.
Okay. So do you check it all the way through? Do you cut anything
No, I
out?
don't check it all the way through. No,
Okay, I'm
never
gonna-
did. Just
Okay.
go by what I look. You know, I just stir it up. Got a lot of meat in here.
How
so
often do you stir it up?
whenever I think it's time to make it move around a little bit, because
Oh.
I've got a lot of meat in here.
Okay, yeah, but so how do you determine it's time for it to move?
How many times to stir the meat?
No.
Well, every 10 minutes or so, I guess.
You turn it every 10 minutes,
Well, you don't have to,
but you do.
but I do, yeah. See how it turns from red to white? See, then but I mean, this is just started, so it's going to be in there for a good while, yeah.
So you said an hour and
This is just the first step. This is cooking the meat with the garlic and the salt and getting it so that it's been cooked, in other words. Then when you throw the sauce in it, it cooks another hour and a half, 2 hours.
so this process here, it takes about an hour.
We'll say an hour, yeah.
And then you throw in the red sauce, right?
Yeah, you throw in a can of either whole or crushed tomatoes, and that won't be enough, so I'll put in these whole ones first, because they take longer to cook and dissolve. And then after it's been cooking for a good while, then I'll throw these crushed tomatoes in, because this is going to be a lot of sauce here. And then after that's been sitting and cooking for a good while, then that's when you put the paste in. Approximately 6. What size is this? How many ounces? What's that?
It says 6 ounce.
6 ounces. 6 of these 6-ounce things of paste.
Okay, so you go from whole to crushed to paste.
Yeah.
So,
And then with every can of paste, I put in at least 2 cans of water. So that's how I get my fullness out of it. You know.
thickness?
Well, no, you'll get a lot of sauce that way.
So it's 10:05 now. What time did we start here?
What time did we start? It was about 9:30.
Okay, so this
That
is
was when I was putting the meat in and the garlic. It hasn't been cooking that long. It's only been about 15 minutes or so.
So what time will we put in the whole tomatoes?
Oh, about 11.
Okay. Do you want to say anything else before?
No.
Ready?
Posterity.
Okay, Dad, tell us what you want to say.
Usually when you put the meat in with the water and let it cook, I usually try to make it so that it gets down to where there is no more water. Hardly.
Oh,
Don't burn it though. And then that's when you throw the tomatoes in.
that's an
With
important
water,
detail.
more water. But this has a lot of water, so it's going to take a while for that to...
So you cook it down.
Yeah, you cook it down, yeah.
Okay, thank you. The video's on.
We're going to take this brown meat. Ooh, messy. Ooh. Elizabeth, how many meatballs do you think this is going to make with all this meat here? Should I use it all? I guess so.
We can always use it.
Oh, is this messy? Oh, that's bad.
So is this frozen?
It was, I guess.
Yeah, it was
Partially
because, we bought it at AJ's.
AJ's, yeah.
There
Looks pretty lean, doesn't it?
before.
But that doesn't mean it's good tasting. Let me.
You're getting out what, Dad? What are you doing there?
I think I'm gonna need 2 eggs, right, Elizabeth? With all that ground meat.
I guess, yeah. What do we get, a pound and a half?
A pound and a half of ground meat and 2 eggs.
And how many cups or how much of the
Well,
breadcrumb?
I'm lucky I have enough.
Okay.
Okay, see what I'm doing?
No, I will. I thought you wanted me to do that.
Well, okay, I didn't know you'd want to get your hands dirty.
Well, they'll go on because you have the clean hands. I don't have clean
Well,
hands.
actually, if you want to do the video, I'll do it.
Yeah,
Dan
you're
will
gonna do
do
the
it.
video if you're gonna get dirty hands.
All right.
Here, you clean your hands and I'll do the video. Is it running?
Oops. A little bit, then put 2 eggs in.
And,
What's in it already that I'm mixing up?
What's that?
This is just ground beef.
Ground
You're
beef?
just,
Oh,
you're
I'm
just,
breaking it up.
Just breaking it up so you can
Okay.
put the eggs in there.
All right, so that's what my task is, just breaking it up. Oh, and we're putting the eggs in
The
there.
eggs should go in there and whip them up.
That's a good plan, yeah.
Oh, I never do that.
Well, that's
Well,
because if you put a
it's-
shell in here,
That's
you
all right, you do it her way,
can
that's
have an
okay.
issue. Okay. So how much do you usually break it up, Dad?
You want me to break those eggs up for you?
No.
No.
I said, how much do you usually break up the meat, is what I was asking. How long do I do this?
No, that's good enough.
For sure?
Yeah, you're just breaking it up to get it.
yeah, and just take note of what it feels like to you, La, because that's how you're going to do it in
I
the
have to wash
future.
it one more time
You're doing it?
before I deal with it. 2 eggs in here. right?
Breaking 2
Well, she-
eggs.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
in there, yeah, you can do it in there, I don't do that, but she can say,
One.
I'll take that for you. All right, that's fine. And she says you're supposed to
I whip them up with a
she whips it up
Oh, with a
Whips it
fork
up
or
with
a,
a fork.
yeah,
with a fork.
a fork will do it.
with a
Can you get a
fork.
fork
Here's
out
a
of there?
fork right here.
Yeah, just get one of those.
There you
little
go.
ones.
Yeah,
Alrighty.
there you go.
Well,
Whisk
you
it
do-
with a fork.
Like you do with French toast eggs.
Yeah,
Here we go.
Give it a whip.
That's good enough.
Is
I
it?
never do it anyway.
Well, then you should. Is that okay?
That's good.
All right, in here now,
Dump it in there.
the whole thing.
Yeah.
Off it goes.
Now you gotta do that what you did before.
Okay,
You'll have that all over your hands again.
so you do.
I'll
I've
even
had
help
worse.
you with this.
You're gonna help.
I'm not dumping in while you, once you start doing all that, I'm gonna dump in the breadcrumbs so much at a time.
All right.
Doesn't that feel nice?
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah, there we go. Fold it in, fold it in. In come the breadcrumbs.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
In they come.
In they come.
Fold those babies in there.
So do you put any other seasonings in here, like Italian seasoning or anything?
Well, no, because if I wanted seasoning, I'd get seasoned breadcrumbs.
Yeah, but then they add the seasoning, not you.
I put plenty of seasoning. You got garlic, pepper, and salt in there.
Okay, so basically it's plain.
How's it feel? It needs some more
Slimy,
breadcrumbs.
slimy, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so what do you want to make it feel like? What should it feel
Well,
like?
it has to feel sort of stiff that when you roll them, they stay rolled.
Okay, like it can just
Like
stay
you make
together.
them into meatballs and then you cook it in the skillet.
Mm-hmm.
And another thing, when I always try to hit which will, I can do that when you, but I heat the skillet, and then once I put the meatballs in there, it's hot, and they start,
Do you put oil in there?
no, that's what I don't like to do, see? Because then it goes,
Why?
I don't know, I just never do.
Well, you know, I think when you put the oil in, it might make a sort of a little bit crispy on the outside with the meatballs.
Crispy, crunchy?
Yeah. I mean, I think that's what it does. It helps cook the outside a little
Crispy
bit.
on the out, tender on the inside.
Yeah.
I
Not,
don't know if Elizabeth does that or not.
what?
Use olive oil in the skillet.
when making meatballs.
No, I generally use the spray, but they,
Oh, it's this, it's
Okay, well,
oil.
see if you can roll one into a meatball and see how it works.
See how it speeds.
Don't make them about,
Not that big,
but yeah, I guess that's okay.
that size?
Yeah. How's that feel? It feels
Well,
like
it
it's
feels
sturdy.
like a meatball, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, what do you think?
I think that's good.
Yeah,
Um,
the consistency is good. I mean, it depends on how bready you like it. If you
Yeah,
want,
that's fine.
okay.
Do we have something to put those on?
like what?
What?
I mean,
I don't want to put them on the skillet yet because I heat the skillet first and then put them in.
oh, you want a plate to put?
Plate anything that'll hold these meatballs.
So do you put breadcrumbs on the outside? Do you roll
No,
these
no,
breadcrumbs?
no,
No, okay. I'm just asking.
How about this?
Yeah, that works. Daniel, thank you. You want to put that in the sink? So this is the size?
Yeah.
I'll try to make them consistent-ish.
It doesn't have to be perfect. If one's smaller or whatever.
Yeah, but if you cook them together, if you make one bunch bigger and a bunch smaller, they're inconsistently cooking, I think, don't they? Maybe I'm wrong. Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
Won't help.
Do you want to help?
You
Let's
want
get
help?
done faster.
I'll help you, and then you can go swimming.
Well, no, we might not do the swimming, Dad, because we have the wine. I try to stay safe. What do you think, Daniel?
Looking good.
No,
Dan's like me, he'll eat the scenery instead of the meatball.
and I'll eat the meatballs because I like meatballs.
Just sample everything.
Try everything. Sounds like a song.
Does it? What does it sound like?
That song,
Which song?
the Try Everything song from Zootopia. Do you remember?
We'll have to intersperse an excerpt from that with this video.
Somebody said in a social media thing, Daniel, they thought you would be very good at karaoke. So that's your job.
What? Who says this?
I think Ginger.
Okay. It was an FB somewhere, huh?
Yeah, just recently, because I reposted the one picture of all of a group of us from, Osaka. That one
Oh,
picture.
right.
What
Yes,
kind of
yes.
shape is a sock in right now?
They're good. Yeah.
It's all right, they didn't get flooded?
Yeah, I think they're all right now, hopefully. I talked to my students and their families, and I think at the moment, everything is okay. But everyone's hoping that there's no more,
Oh, I can't make a meatball.
well, hold on, wait, maybe we should rob Peter to pay Paul.
Here, take some more here.
Here, right here, right here. We can rob this one and then re-roll it, right? We'll re-roll these big ones that we had. I'll just re-roll them, hold on. Is that enough for that one?
No.
Oh, here, this was a big one. That was a big one. That was is that enough?
That'll be a little one, that's all right.
Yeah, well, the more consistent you are, I think, in size is what I read somewhere. It's like when you steam vegetables, they should all be around the same size. So that they
Okay, thank you. That's it.
Hooray.
The swimming pool is calling.
Okay. All right, let's have it. What's going on there?
Okay, the sauce was already prepared with all of the paste and sauce in it. And that's ready to go. So we cooked the meatballs in the skillet. We put the meatballs in a pot and then added sauce too. That's what's there. See, the sauce is in there.
Oh, yeah.
Meatballs and sauce.
So they're all set. Now Dan's making the spaghetti. As soon as he does that, we'll pour it in here and put the sauce in.
Okay, so time-wise, what's the timing for all these things from the last time we left off?
I'd say it was like 2:45.
Okay, but how long for simmering the,
Well, simmering, you can do whatever you please.
so you cook the meatballs and you stuck the meatballs in there and then
Yeah,
they're
just
all by
cooked the
themselves.
meatballs in the skillet
Uh-huh,
till they were cooked, and then I put them in the sauce,
okay,
and that was it for that.
okay.